to be getting to Texas at like 2 something. Hopefully I get there on time because I got to get the car that I rented. I rented the car for 2 o'clock and I'm getting there at 2 something, so I need to get there in time. Let's see, hopefully they don't cancel the reservation, but I'm on the plane and I'll see y'all when I get to Texas. Hey y'all, so I'm finally in Texas. My flight was supposed to land at 2, but because it was delayed, it was supposed to land at like 1 something. But because it was delayed, I ended up getting here at 3 something. It's 3:16 right now, so I'm an hour late for my rental car. So the car, and then I'm gonna wait on my brother to come in. He's coming from Jamaica. So yeah, and then after that we're gonna go to the Airbnb. Yup. Fit check, you know, a little bummy or whatever. But it's whatever, you know, it's whatever. So I just got my rental car. It's not the car that I wanted, but it don't matter really. I'm not really picky. I really want to stay here and wait on my brother, but I know that they're not going to allow me to stay. So I know I got to get up out of here. So that's what I'm about to do. Yeah, but I want to wait on him because right now it's 3:29. It's 3:29 and he comes in at like 3:40 something, so it doesn't make sense I leave the airport. I always hear a lot about Houston, Texas or whatever. Never been to Texas, so I don't know what's popping over here or whatever. She rented a convertible. I know that's right, sus. I know that's right. I know that's right, Bookie. Yeah, girl. Allow me to rent a convertible because I'm under 25 and they don't let you rent certain cars if you're under 25. I had to pay a $95 young rental fee. Yeah. Like, first of all, it's never that deep, but let me go where I'm going. Get a feel of this bad boy. I really want to go get something to drink. Like, I feel like I'm dehydrated and I need to fix that like right now. Yeah. I want to go to Best Buy also because I want to buy my little brother a MacBook as a graduation gift. So when I get to his graduation, I can give it to him. So finally at the Airbnb, yo. So the first rental that I had, they took it from me. So I gotta, you know, upgrade. They took it from me, but God don't like ugly, so you know we got the electric. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Foreigner in the building, big pro. I'm showing all this work now.
No, I think you know.
House tour.
What's coming that nicely?
Oh, turn it off. In order to turn off the alarm, enter the alarm code and press. What is this? First you come in, the Christmas tree is right there. You know the vibes. Then we got a living room. You know the vibes. TV. You know they got their little kitchen. It's cute and whatever. You know what I'm saying? Y'all look for food?
Not really.
We got the first bedroom right here. Bedroom. This is very homey. And then they got a bathroom. I know that's right. On to the next. One pull out the center. And then they got this bathroom right here. Okay. Bedroom with 2 beds in it. You know what I'm saying? Another bedroom right here.
What is supposed to cool?
With a closet right here. I think they got a pool outside, y'all. Let me show you. Okay. Okay. I know that's right. It's too cold to go swimming though, but okay, I know that's right. I know that's right. If you go swimming in that pool, if we get your mentals right, you see me? Get your mentals right, get it right. This is nice. I would go swimming in there even though it's cold. Look at the view. Yeah, fool, you know? Yeah, he does, you know? House is giving what it's supposed to give. I know that's right. I'm about to go get something to eat because you know we are starving. I want something nice. Something nice to eat. Where the box side?
Brick.
Brick palm brick. Brick palm brick palm brick. Palm brick. Brick palm brick palm brick. When your brother gives you money, I know that's right. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Guys, we're at Chick-fil-A right now. Rude boy about to try Chick-fil-A.
Don't
See what it's giving. If it's giving what they hype it up to give. What they hype it up to give. So we got Chick-fil-A. I'm pescatarian, guys, so I don't eat Chick-fil-A. But I got some French fries with some mac and cheese. Milkshake. Oh, nothing. I'm not to bed it the other way though. Yeah, that way they mother belly.
Sometimes I just do them something they see.
Yeah, I know.
Go, you know?
Sorry, girl.
Yeah.
I'll be a bar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can feel, you know? I mean, you know, keep sweet.
Where you give the fries? I don't know yet. You have to chew a little bit first.
I give the fries like 6 out of 10.
6?
Yeah, 6 out of 10.
I like the fries. Try the sauce, yeah?
What is this name?
Chick-fil-A sauce.
Come honey barbecue thing. But I don't know, man. Traditional. Ketchup my thing.
We know. Can't go wrong with that Chick-fil-A man shit.
Boy.
I guess the shittings after you might go wrong, but
No,
just later. Show them where I try.
you don't try the nuggets.
Don't try the nuggets.
But they put in some of the Chick-fil-A sauce. Give it a 7 out of 10.
So you stuck a 7, so move up, man.
It's okay.
Okay, sorry.
Bye.
Don't forget to your taste buds.
Yeah. You'll be giving a Chick-fil-A like 10 out of 10 and stuff, right? That's what you be doing?
Maybe my eye pick up tomorrow.
Yeah, man.
You still eat bad things and still not overweight. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, please, you know.
You just have to eat in portions. Anyways, guys, let me give you the story of all those dirty, stinking people made me go in the car. Connect my phone.
Make all video.
Connect my phone to the Bluetooth. And I just go by.
Gradual.
And I vibe out. And I go out with myself now. Go out with myself. Just for me to get to the gate. Mom said, ma'am, I'm sorry, we have to exit the car. Shame? Shame? Shame is an understatement.
Shame a killer.
Shame killed it me.
Kilter.
I was dead. Don't like ugly, and we upgraded. We upgraded to electric. We don't know how we're gonna charge it, but we upgraded. I would drive by itself, but just gotta relax and eat our Chick-fil-A. Look at us driving.
So nice.
Go from Bayern.
Just put in the address.
Address and it goes. Just put in the address and we go. We're driving right now. We're almost home. Hey guys. Boy. The burger is spicy chicken sandwich.
The spicy chicken sandwich. You said it was like hyping this shit up.
And don't get no pickle on there, and that's a problem because the pickle is one of the best parts.
I don't eat pickle.
I've been dipping in sauce, you know. Alright, go on.
You dip in sauce, real?
I mean, I know, I'm gonna dip everything in sauce. Try without the sauce.
I'll throw some sauce on it. But I don't know
Try without the sauce first.
Okay. Without the sauce.
Without the sauce.
It's good.
Where you give it?
What's it, man? The radio station is rich.
Bad. I must pay for that one, yeah. Zola mine never lack.
Zola mine.
Zola don't whatever. What's that go? Where's that go? If Zola like a girl? Chewbacca have your way. Try it down, missy. Cause me probably won't fit. I stopped at Burlington. I got this shirt for $9.99. It's just for me to get in the pool. Why this looks so small, but I got this for $12.99. I didn't want this, but anyways, I'm about to change. So, all right, I'm outside and I'm about to open the gate for the pool. How do you open this fucking gate? Oh my God!
Are you relax on here?
Let me carry it, Dre.
Cool.
Yes, you. Yes, you.
Oh, sir, if you're playing.
Yes, you. No, you tripped me a while ago. You
No.
tripped me a while ago.
Alright, come back.
You're too sure. People are like sure.
Yo.
Good morning, guys. So we're outside the Air Force base, waiting to go in. People said that the Air Force is less ghetto than the Army. I disagree. They are very much ghettoer. I don't know what time. We don't know what time the graduation is actually, but we're here. We're here and we will support. We will stand to support. Whoever said it was not cold in Texas lied. Lied. Freaking lied. Lied.
By Technical Sergeant Tyler Strasser, military training instructor trainer. Zola Henry, country of origin, Jamaica. Gael.
That's an airman right there.
Keep the military during. I want to man. Laugh.
This is the outfit for today. I know I said I was going to finish this vlog and I did not do what I said I was going to do because yesterday I had a whole day of activities and I didn't vlog it, but it's okay. That's how life is. You get caught up in the moment and whatever, but I'm gonna insert some clips. I went to my little brother's graduation yesterday. Today we about to go see him again, so I'll try to record like a little bit of, you know, a few things, and I'm gonna let y'all see what's going on today. Today's my last day. I leave today. Yes,